Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as is very simple and very trendy that in this video collection you are going to see 100 plus creative, very easy, very simple and designer style crochet patterns of hand knitted long coats, warm wool dresses, warm wool cardigans, warm wool sweaters, jerseys, and much more related to winter fabric and winter clothing stuff. So before going into the further details of this video, I have a very simple request to you that if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, or you are watching my content for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing friends, if you really like this video or the entire collection, then don't forget to press the like button and kindly comment below the video and give your opinions and choices of interest so that we could come up with some new latest and trendy stuff according to your choices. Friends, I have one more request to you that please kindly massively make a habit of sharing my videos with your friends and family so that not only you but your social circle could also be entertained with the latest classic and trendy ideas. Yes friends, now let's move back to the details of this video. Friends, as you could see that this video is a, you can say, 10 in 1 or a numerous in 1. You could get a wide variety of design ideas that how you can complete your winter dress look, how you could transform your daily ordinary look into a very classic and a very stylish look. Yes friends, not only latest and trendy designer style design patterns and design ideas of sweater coats, but you could also get amazing and trendy ideas that how you could complete your look along with footwear, different accessory, apparels, inners, bottoms, head warmers, even hooded or caps, or any other sort of material or wearables required to complete a very stylish and designer style decent and elegant look. So friends, these are very easy and simple to make crochet patterns or knitting patterns of long coats with different wools used, that is shaded, colorful wool, simple plain matte wool, shimmery wool, velvet touchy wool, matte, thin to thick, different variant sizes of wool, fur based wool, soft fluffy wool, pom-pom style wool, and much more different stylish colorful patterns of wool. So it is per your choice or your level of interest that which type of wool or which category of wool or what type of color of wool you are going to use or select while making your long coats, warm inner wool dresses. Friends, I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us, and if you were unable to find the required designs of your choice, of your interest, of your preferences, then don't be sad. Go to my channel's playlist sweater designs, crochet designs, western dress designs. From there you can find a lot of number of variety of different beautiful design patterns of winter dresses, and as well as intermax, summer, and all type of all sort of all season and every region based dresses. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family. Allow me to leave. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas, new design patterns, and latest trendy opinions and suggestions for you. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, and don't panic. Handle every situation with peace and calm, and ease the way of hurdles for others so that your hurdles could be removed. Thank you so much for watching my content.